So I have already created my background layer with the black color. Now select the text tool, left click, and now type your text. Control A to select all text, and now I'm going to change the font to Anton. And then I'm going to change the color to gray to make this filter work. So left click on the color. So I'm just going to select the gray color. So for example, this one here, B5, 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 press OK. Select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is related to the image, and now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now if you want to remove these squares here of the alignment tool, just select another tool. So for example, for me, the move tool. And now go to filter, distorts, and then select newsprint. So here it is, it turned our text into black and white stripes. So you can change, for example, here the color model, white on black, black on white, RGB or CMYK. I'm going to leave it with black on white. For the pattern, I'm going to choose a line. There's circle, diamond, square, and crossing lines. So I'm going to select the lines for me. So this is the angle. I'm going to leave the angle to 75. It's okay. And this is the period. So you can increase, for example, the size here of these stripes. And for the turbulence, it's going to act kind of like the period, the block size. Here's the effect it will give. It's not really good. The angle boost, I didn't see any effect. So for these, I'm going to leave them unchecked. And now I'm just going to fix the period here. So as you can see in the color model, black and white, if I reduce the period to 0, our text is white. So this is going to control the black stripes. And for me, I need white stripes. So I'm going to change it to white on black. So you can't see anything because it is black just as the background. And now I'm going to increase the period to show the white stripes. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now I'm going to hide the background layer. So as you can see here, it is white and black. I'm going to remove the black color, go to colors, and then color to alpha. And now here, change the color here, left click, change it to black, and then press OK, and then press OK. And now I'm going to reveal my background layer. And now I'm going to create a new transparent layer on top of my text. Click on this icon here, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. So now I'm going to change the layer mode here of the transparent layer to multiply, so I can add some colors to paint on the transparent layer, and then it will affect only the white color here of the text. So let's change it to multiply. If I select, for example, the paintbrush tool, I'm going to change the color, for example, to this red, press OK, and now I'm going to paint. So here it is, doesn't affect the background. So Ctrl Z to undo. I'm going to use the gradient, select the gradient tool. Left click here, I'm going to scroll down. So for example, I'm going to use this one here, full saturation spectrum. And now I'm just going to trace my gradient on the transparent layer. So here it is, and now press enter. And now, for example, we can still change the effect here of the newsprint layer effect. So select the text layer, left click on the FX, double click on the newsprint. And now, for example, I can change the period, or for example, the turbulence to increase the number. Press OK. And now you can also change the text. So if I select the text tool, double click, let's type, for example, Gimp. So here it is. I'm going to select the move tool. So as you can see, the color changes because it is affected by this layer here with the multiply mode.